People are so into K-pop right now, and one thing that draws them to the genre are the idols' visuals. From styling to makeup and hair, the K-pop world has its own aesthetics. I'm sure you got excited when you saw this. Now I know at one point you thought about bleaching your hair, but don't really want to commit to the damaging effects that comes with it. So today I'm going to introduce you to your new best friend. Hair extensions. With various colors to choose from, you can now cop any of your idol's look on the daily. I am using Lynelle hair clip-on extensions in the blonde shade to recreate this trendy hairstyle of the blonde streaks. I'm simply sectioning the hair 1/4 inch on both sides from where the parting is. That is where I am placing the clip-on extensions. I now have the Color Wow root cover-up, and I'm going to apply this from where the hair extension wefts begin. This will create a seamless transition from your dark roots to the blonde streaks. Now remember, if you have lighter hair color, you should use the right shade of root cover-up or anything that closest to it to make sure that whatever hair extensions you use, it will seamlessly blend with your own hair. I am now incorporating the front section with the blonde streaks on the ponytail that I created at the back. You can use large U-bend pins or flat sectioning clips to keep it in place before tying it all together onto the ponytail. With the Color Wow cult favorite hairspray, I am simply going to brush in place all stray hair and create hold on the hairstyle that I did. The last two steps are optional. Here I am curling the section of hair I left in front, and I'm going to accessorize with decorated pins. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!